I'll give you one example with just one property. With one property, investment property, one income, one property, you can literally earn 5 different types of income from one property. The first one is your rental income, the one that you collect from your tenants. Second one is capital appreciation. With time, the property value is going to go up, and when you sell the property, hopefully not, but when you sell the property, you will still make more money on that property, so you earn extra money on the property. So for example, you bought a property for 200,000 rand today, 5 years, 10 years down the line, it's about 400,000 rand. You have earned 200,000, 100%. The second is profit from inflation. So if you're a landlord or a landlady, every single year your rental income goes up. Irrespective interest rate goes up, goes down, minimum 5%, we charge 10%, but minimum 5%. With time, you beat inflation. And if you have fixed your interest rates with the bank, you are paying current money now with cheap funding. By that I mean now interest rate has gone up, but imagine if when you bought your property, you kept your interest rate at the same, a fixed interest rate instead of the variable interest rate. The bank will never sell you a fixed interest rate. The first thing the bank will do is to say, this is what you get, prime plus 1. Unless you ask, so what kind of question are you asking the bank? And I'm using property, but it doesn't matter what product you are selling or what product you're taking that money for to invest. You fix that interest rate, and with time, inflation will work for you. That's the thing. Today you're paying 2,000 rand, we're paying 5,000 rand on the same property that's earning us 35,000 rand now, and we still pay 5,000 rand. And interest rate has gone up and we don't feel it. So that is what you do. You make your money work for you. The fourth part is tax benefits, right? We have bought a lot of property through the refunds that SARS gives us every single year. When you're a landlord, driving my car to this place, it's business. SARS must give me back my money, 50% of it belongs to me. Why would SARS do that? Because we help the economy to grow. We create jobs. Government does not have money to give everyone. It's us, the entrepreneurs. We create jobs. They have to look after us. So you live for free with just one single property. Right? One single property. The nice one I like is generational wealth. You pass the property on to somebody else. That is how you make your money work for you. Misfortune loves a shining mark. Misfortune loves a shining mark. And it is up to you to make sure that that doesn't happen to you. The fifth principle is you own or you rent a home that you can afford. The fact that you can purchase something doesn't mean that you can afford that thing. The sixth principle is prepare for retirement. Ensure a future income.
Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.